The Compare Bin File feature in Woolich Racing Tuned allows you to easily compare the differences between one bin file and another. There is also a simple way to copy and paste maps from custom bin files using this feature. First, open a bin file. This might be a new bin file or a custom bin file that you are looking to change. In this example, we will compare a stock CBR600RR bin file to a custom CBR600RR bin file. Next, go to File, open Compare Bin File, and open the custom bin file that you would like to use as the comparison. Now, when you go to a map, you will see any differences from your original file highlighted in red and blue. Red means that the value is lower than the one in the compare bin file, and blue means the value is higher than the compare file. When you click the value trim or percentage trim tabs, you will see the differences in the values from your current bin file to the compare file. Here is where there is a simple way to effectively copy the map from the compare file. Using the value trim tab, by selecting the cells you want to copy, click Set Values and enter 0. Your selected cells will now be the same as the values from the compare file. This method is quicker and easier than manually copying and pasting maps by opening 2 copies of the software. And because these cell differences are highlighted in red and blue, it is also easier to tell which maps have differences. Now if we go to the next map, we can see that the entire map is white, and all the value trim cells are 0. Therefore, there is no difference, and we can move on to the next maps in the bin file that we wish to copy.